At California Quality Drywall, we've taken special protective measures to keep working during the COVID-19 times. All of our drywall repair specialists wear latex gloves and protective masks. To keep your house clean, we cover all walkways with rosin paper. As well, we build dust barrier containment walls. At California Quality Drywall, we care about your safety and our employees' safety. No matter how big the job, we send just 1 or 2 drywall repair specialists per site. At the end of every job, we clean up good as new.
Thank you for choosing California Quality Drywall.
Call California Quality Drywall today.